Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashtabula County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Middlefield and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Ashtabula, Orwell, Geneva, Andover, North Kingsville, Conneaut, Rock Creek, Roaming Shores, Geneva on the Lake and Edgewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula, Ohio.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Geneva on the Lake to Ripley, New York, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 45 knots or greater from 24 nautical miles northwest of Erie to 19 nautical miles southwest of Erie, or from 21 nautical miles north of Conneaut to Conneaut, moving east at 40 knots. These strong thunderstorms will otherwise remain away from significant coastal landmarks over the indicated areas. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday morning for Northeast Ohio and Northwest Pennsylvania.